Today I'm making banana flan. So why banana flan instead of classic flan? Because bananas make flan extra creamy, naturally sweeter, and more flavorful without overpowering that classic flan taste we all love. Let's get started! Let's make the caramel for the bottom of our pan. Over medium heat, add 1/2 cup of sugar to a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. This helps keep the caramel smooth and glossy, prevents crystallization, and balances the sweetness without changing the flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Do not stir, just gently swirl the pan like this as the sugar melts. Watch the color closely because caramel can burn very quickly. Once it reaches a deep amber color, carefully add 2 more tablespoons of water and give it a quick stir until well combined. Remove it from the heat and carefully pour it into a 9.5-inch bundt pan. The caramel will harden as it cools, but once it bakes with the custard, it turns into a beautiful, silky sauce. Gently swirl the pan to coat the bottom and a bit of the sides. It helps the flan release perfectly once it's unmolded. Now let's make the custard. Into the blender, add 3 ripe bananas, 5 large eggs, 1 slice of bread, torn into small pieces so it blends smoothly. 1 can of evaporated milk, 12 ounce. 1/2 cup whole milk. Next, add 1/2 cup sweetened condensed milk. That's about half of a 14 ounces can. You can add more if you like it sweeter. But for my family, this is the perfect balance. Finish with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Blend everything until completely smooth and lump-free. Now strain the mixture through a sieve to remove any remaining lumps. Cover the pan. Place it in a hot water bath, also called a Bain-Marie. The Bain-Marie helps the flan cook gently and evenly without cracking or curdling. Bake gently for about 1 hour. When it comes out of the oven, the kitchen smells warm and fragrant sweet banana with notes of vanilla and caramel. The edges are set and the center still jiggles slightly when hot. Let it cool completely, then cover it and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for the best texture. Once chilled, the flan is perfectly set, silky, creamy, and smooth. If you need to loosen it before unmolding, simply run a knife around the edges and warm the bottom briefly in warm water. When you unmold it, the caramel flows beautifully over the top, and the banana flavor really shines without being overpowering. This banana flan can be made 1 day ahead, which actually improves the flavor and texture. Store it covered in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. It is creamy, comforting, and just a little twist on the classic we all love. Thank you for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, keep tasting the world, 1 bite at a time. And I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe.